Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is vegan pancakes. Into a blending cup we're going to add in 2 bananas, 1 cup of oats, 1 date, 1 tablespoon of LSA, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of milk. And blitz until everything is broken down and well combined. To a pan on medium heat, we're going to spoon in the mixture. After a couple of minutes, check to see if it's nice and brown, and if so, flip over. Now the toppings are completely up to you, but I like to use a little bit of coconut yogurt, then top with some blueberries, some cacao nibs, and a tiny drizzle of coconut syrup. Or for something a little more naughty, you can try a vegan Nutella substitute. Again, adding some blueberries, some maple syrup, and some cacao nibs. Then you're ready to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads.